So, welcome to our work example, looking at how we use the equation charge equals current times time. Now, it's important to remember that whenever we're doing these questions with this equation, we are looking for our units to be in these forms. Charge to be measured in coulombs, current to be measured in amps, and time to be measured in seconds. There may come points in questions where you need to convert from a larger or smaller unit back into these units in order to get the correct answer. We'll have a look at that in a couple of our examples. So our first worked example, as you can see underneath, the question says find the charge transferred when a current of 2 amps flows for 240 seconds. Now, if we have a simple look at our question, we have a current of 2 amps. Now, current we know is measured in 2 amps. Our unit that we require is 2 amps, so we don't need to change it. Our time is 240 seconds. We need time to be in seconds. We don't need to change it. So all we need to do is take our values and plug them into our equation. So charge equals current 2 times time, 240. Pop it into a calculator and you come out with 480. Now, with any of these questions, whenever you are finishing, make sure you put the unit in. So charge, as we said, is measured in coulombs. So that's our first worked example. Now, as we were speaking about a moment ago, sometimes you might be asked to convert units in a question before you carry out your calculation. So the same format, a current of 75 milliamps flows for 55 minutes. So we know that we want charge equals current times time, but we want to turn 75 milliamps into amps. Now, in order to convert milliamps into amps, all we have to do is divide by 1000. So if we divide by 1000, our 75 milliamps becomes the same as 0.075 amps. And we have 55 minutes. Now we want our unit of time to be in seconds. So to convert between minutes and seconds, we have to times by 60. We have 60 seconds in a minute, which gives us 3,300 seconds. Now we have our different current and time in the correct units. We just have to plug our values into the equation. So charge becomes 0.075 times 3,300. And if you multiply both of those together, 0.075 times 3,300, you come up with an answer of 247.5. And because it's charge, our unit would be coulombs. So, two worked examples for you as to how to use charge equals current times time.